That's when my wife will end up divorcing me for how much money I spent on this. Don't tell her. Nobody, if you know how much this costs, do not tell my wife. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be flying out to Texas to work on the Mercy. So we got up really early. We're in the airport. I hate being up this early, by the way. But we're in the airport and we're going to be catching a plane, flying to Texas. And if all goes well, as it should, we're going to be throwing the motor back in the car, putting a new clutch on it, doing a couple things that are preventative maintenance on the car, and then hopefully getting the first ride in this weekend. And I'm excited. This is going to be a really good time, so stay tuned. Thanks for being here, and watch along. We're going to do a couple days videos on the car, and I'm going to bring you through and show you guys as much as I can.
We're here at the shop. Got some cool things going on. Let's go check it out. So first thing is, we've got Justin on the machine. He's cutting some parts for the Lamborghini manual conversion. And then what this video is all about is this beautiful Murcielago 580. We're doing motor and trans out. We're doing a clutch and a rear main seal service, and then most importantly we're doing a manual conversion.
They did a good job thinking this through. You know, it all comes out as one unit. It's got connectors, everything unplugs from, you know, from the engine. It's not like the Ferrari where they run the wiring harness into the cabin. Everything is just plug and play. Okay. Let's do it nice and slow.
Yeah.
Nice and steady.
Exciting stuff. Let's do it.
Yeah, go down. Down, down, down. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop right there. I gotta hold this motor. Josh, go bump the lift down.
Jack. What's up, Art? Say hi.
What's up? I'm like, I didn't even know you had the camera in my face. I'm over here measuring. I'm like, what the heck?
I catch you in the zone, man.
Got me.
What you working on over there?
Linkages for the shifter assembly.
Nice. Here we got the inside of the car. This is day one while we're out here in Texas. The pedals are going to be going on in there. Hey, look how good this transmission came out. Throw out bearing. So we ended up having to go to San Antonio for bearings. I ordered them online, but unfortunately they came in wrong. Just for anybody's asking, you can't get them through Lamborghini. These are FAG bearings. So those are the proper bearings for it. And that's it. Now you just replace them. This one will come in from this side, it drives in, and then this one drives in that way. We're gonna be doing, while the clutch is off, we're gonna be doing a rear main seal on the car. Little trick for driving the seal out. Here's the new one. But you can drill a little bit of a hole in the side, and then you use one of these fancy tools to get underneath it. I like to go to the back of the crank and actually just pry the seal right off. All right, so you're gonna torque down the flywheel bolts. 40 Newton meters. Make sure you do them in a star pattern. See, the clutch mounted on the back and all torqued up. Brand new starter, new bearings, new rear main seal, new pilot bearing. Let's put the trans on.
Hey, never miss leg day.
No, you never want to miss leg day. There you go. What are you doing over there, Art?
So we got the shifter on, we got the side cover off to access the shift forks. So we're just lining everything up, and then we'll give it a little tack weld right here, and then we have enough adjustment on the front and rear U-joints. So once that's all welded into place, any kind of fine tuning, we could play with that later.
And then this is the linkage he's talking about, that he makes everything in-house. And that's the one that he'll tack up once he gets it adjusted properly. And then he can make any adjustments there if need be. Look at that gated shifter.
So we're pulling the pedal box out of the car, and we have just built the pedals. Art's gonna go through, he's gonna weld the pedals here, and he's also gonna weld the shift tower bracket that'll go underneath the car that the actual shifter mounts on top of. We'll get these installed into the pedal box and get both the brake and clutch pedal back into the car.
I gotta be honest with you guys, I actually don't even care that we're converting the car to manual. I only wanted to do this so I can get that famous picture of me sitting next to the car and the transmission. And I'm putting on a dating website. Don't tell my wife though. Only car guys will like it, unfortunately, so that's gonna make it sad. Sorry, honey, if you're watching this already.
What do you think?
I don't even have the words. This is so cool. This is what dreams are made of right here, man. I've wanted this since the day I bought my car.
Well, it's happening.
And you guys said you're gonna put in this seat in the car too, or get rid of the Mercy seats. It's very comfortable. I like the armrest.
The office chair.
The office chair works beautifully.
It feels like a game sim.
It kind of does.
Yeah.
The seat's comfortable though.
Should build a game sim with the Lambo shifter.
I bet you would sell more of those if you did it that way for all the
Lambos themselves, right?
So we're gonna be making nightmare fuel here. Ugh, what are we doing in there, man?
Gonna try to cut it pretty whole.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make it as nice as possible.
I mean,
it looks bigger there on camera than it really is. He made a jig, and we went as small as we could with the hole. He's actually tracing it out there. We're gonna cut it, then we're gonna reinforce the carbon fiber after he's cut it. But factory manual cars have a hole there as well, and it's not a perfect circle. It's kind of oblong.
It almost kind of looks like the carbon sits higher, and then they cut around it. And then when you move further towards the back, there's that like little notch there that kind of like.
Yeah, you can see.
That's all carbon there.
That's the. And I'll be honest, it's not as thick as what the E-Gear car was. I mean, that's a little over a couple fingernails thick.
Yeah, so check that out. So they don't epoxy. So even them, the way they cut it, people are worried about it failing prematurely on the tunnel. You could
Absolutely
have the same
will
issues
not.
with
There's
the
no
factory.
way.
It's thicker than I thought it was going to be.
yeah.
I love how it doesn't go past here too.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, I think you did a beautiful job.
Thank you.
We got Josh jumping in the car to unwrap everything.
Should I put this on while we're putting the motor back in?
Wait, say it again?
Should I put this on while we're putting the motor back in?
No, sacrilegious, man. We're only Lambo fans here.
Yeah. Today we are.
Today we are. No, Ferraris are awesome too. But they were kind enough, they had my entire engine bay detailed while the engine was out. This bolts to the front of the trans. It gives tons of strength all the way through the front of the motor. And then it's got two solid mounts that go up here. Well, rubber mounts, but solid as in they're good, they're tough. Art, you're gonna be working on a rear wheel conversion, right?
Yeah, we already made it.
You did already make it? Awesome.
We put it on Jack's car.
The only reason that I'm using this rear wheel conversion, I've had it for like 2 years, and I've just been lazy and haven't put it on my car, so. The motor's going in.
Hang on.
That's my only complaint of this whole entire experience, is that they wouldn't let me swing on it in my underwear. I came in like a wrecking ball. Just wanted you to know.
I mean, I don't weigh much. I can sit on it.
Oh, that was a fat comment. That's terrible. Hurts my heart. I got this. You come in like another inch. We having fun yet, boys?
Oh my God. I'm in a class. What time is it? 9:30.
All right, we got the engine in. Just did the rear drive shafts. Gonna be setting up the clutch line, bleeding the clutch, make sure that's good to go, and then finishing button up the rest of the stuff. Pretty nice seat you got there, Art.
It's pretty comfortable, actually.
And it makes a good workbench.
Need to make like trays
Yes.
that specifically go here. It's flat.
Fixing the broken exhaust clamps. So we drilled it out, milled it down. Show the other side. Oh, get a little crooked. And then we just through bolt it. We got the exhaust put on right back there, and this is the cooling system for the back of the alternator. If anybody wants to know, instead of having to buy an alternator from Lamborghini, if I can get it on camera there, there's your CarQuest number. Instead of spending $7,000, you guys can spend 350 bucks.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe for more tricks. It's a big mess of wiring. He's doing a great job putting it together.
So this 599 here, this is already converted and it's come in for a couple of service things and the suspension. And the owner of this car also owns the Scuderia here, and that'll be their third EAG car. So this is up next for the manual conversion.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yeah,
There's nothing like a Scud.
that's probably my favorite converted car for sure.
Oh, it's beautiful interior. Well, they got it apart a little bit right in this moment because they're working on it, but look how gorgeous that is. And over there is the other Mercy. Not much introduction if you guys know Mercies and you know Jack Ultramotive. This is his car. That was an E-Gear car, and the guys over here at EAG went ahead and converted it. And that's exactly what mine's gonna look like in a little bit. You got a beautiful car, man. I love the color, and there's the license plate is awesome. Really nice. We gotta get our cars together and go for a ride. We are preparing for our next project. I got a little bit of a leaky oil pan. It's raining oil. We left all 4 bolts, gave it a couple little love taps very gently with a dead blow, and it started to work its way past. We're gonna take a second to let this drain a little bit, and then we'll slowly drop the pan down, clean all this mess up. As you can see, show them the ground. We'll take a second to clean all this mess up. Show Art, he's a little sad. He keeps a clean garage, and we're fucking up his garage.
Damn it.
Poor man, he's very sad with us. Be honest, how many of you guys out there have done your own oil pan gasket on your Murcielago? It was comical, we made a little bit of a mess, but as you can see, we got it cleaned up. That's what shop rag's for and brake clean, and we're gonna get it reinstalled. There's the bottom of the engine. You got your pickup tubes, oil pump, dry sump lines. Oil pan gasket on.
Beep, 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 beep.
So for anybody wondering, maybe you're better than me, but I was not able to get a torque spec for this oil pan, so we judged how tight it was before, and we're doing the hand torque wrench. It's 1/4 inch, very small bolt, so the reality is just don't go ham, you don't want to break anything. All right, back at the hotel, another day. This is Sunday night, long day. Got everything done, did the oil pan gasket, got the engine back in, did the wiring harness. Art truly took his time and did a absolutely beautiful job on the wiring harness. Overall, tired. It's really been a great experience. They've been really gracious. They opened up their shop like they opened up their house, working out of his toolbox, jumping in and out, and just really a good group of guys. You could tell really care about cars, care about their customers, and they're down to earth. They're true car guys, which is just fun to hang out with. But tomorrow's our last day here in Texas, so fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. We're gonna go there in the morning. We're hoping to be there about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's currently 11 o'clock at night now, so we're gonna try to get a little bit of sleep. But if all goes well tomorrow, we're gonna get the engine officially fired up, make sure that the clutch pedal is perfect, and drive the car. That's all I want. I'm tired right now, but I just want to drive the car home here in Texas. So fingers crossed for me, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Or in the next video, however I end up doing this. If I do it in another video, thanks for being here. Thanks for following along. This is Herman Motorsports. We're going to do a bunch of cool shit. Lots of Lamborghini, lots of Ferrari stuff, lots of Viper stuff. I just have a problem with buying cars. Do me a favor, don't tell my wife, okay? But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Don't tell her. Nobody, you know how much this costs. Do not tell my wife.